Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cooking Ebbeh. I'm really excited because this is a different experience for me. Obviously I made Ebbeh before, but here is different. First off with the cooking process, and then we have similar yet different ingredients. So I'm excited because I love Ebbeh. If y'all know me, I love Ebbeh. Ebbeh is bomb, period, okay? The best food in the fucking world, okay? No questions asked. No questions asked, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Check out some of my other videos in the Gambia. The link will be in the description box below. And subscribe because I have a whole lot of more content coming before I leave. Because I'm just, ooh, y'all expect back to back videos. I just gotta edit them, but I got y'all, okay? I got y'all. So let's get started with this video because I just keep talking. I'm gonna talk more in depth about the ingredients later on in the video, but right now I'm showing the smoked fish that we have to peel, which I did not show in the video. We have some nani gunju, catfish, crabs, peppers, and palm oil. Right now we're boiling the cassavas until it's kind of cooked so that we can get to smashing it. So y'all can see me smashing it. This is not an easy process. It looks way easier than it is. Like my arm was hurting, but
Production.
So I'm just gonna kind of explain this more in depth as the video is going, in case it's not already self-explanatory. So technically, after you boil the cassavas, you're supposed to smash it. You can use a blender; it's easier. I don't know what we're using is called in English. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. So technically, you actually not supposed to smash all of the cassavas, but when we're smashing it, we didn't smash it all the way. That's why we kind of smash. It looks like we're smashing like all the cassava that's inside of the bowl. But technically, you're gonna smash it and then you're gonna put it back into the pot and then keep mixing. And then the water is gonna get thick. It's gonna get into like a thick consistency. So right now we adding in the palm oil. Ooh, that looks so satisfying. But we're adding it in right now, so we're gonna kind of let it cook. You're also supposed to like smash some peppers that I showed earlier and then put it in there, but we ended up mixing it with the daha, aka tamarind mix, which we just mixed tamarind with lemon juice, add a little bit of jumbo, and then obviously the peppers that I said.
Production.
So what y'all just saw was kind of self-explanatory. We were adding in the crabs. Now we adding in the Kong, or catfish as they call it in English. In the beginning of the video, I said I was going to talk more in depth about the ingredients, which is what I'm about to do right now. So what you see me doing is I'm putting in the smoked fish. So technically I didn't really show it because I forgot to video, but you're supposed to peel the smoked fish, take the bones out, the skin out, and then you're going to be left with the flesh, which is what I'm putting into the pot right now. So right now we're putting in the neni gunju, which I don't know what it's called in English. So if you do know, let me know in the comments down below. This part is optional. You don't have to put it in there. Ebbeh is about seafood, so you can put shrimp in there, anything that you want. But that part was optional. We just wanted to put it in there. Now for the flavor, we adding in jumbo. We added about like 4-5 cubes of jumbo, and then we gonna mix. Now we adding in the daha, which I explained how to make earlier. It's just daha with lemon juice, jumbo, and kani. Okay, this is tamarind in English. I knew that.
Production.
And the final result, we have Ebbeh. Y'all cannot tell me this don't look so good. Oh my god, I'm wanting some more making this voiceover. Oh my god. But thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. The link will be in the description box below. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching.